Hey guys, this is Daniel from Primary Arms. I'm here today with Andrew to talk about the Fast Attach hub mount.
That's right. So it's a pretty self-explanatory product with the name. It does exactly that. It allows you to take any of your hub thread pitch suppressors and utilize our SOCOM Fast Attach muzzle devices. So war comps, our SF3Ps, muzzle brakes, any of our Surefire SOCOM muzzle devices, you can now take your hub suppressors, mount them via the Fast Attach mechanism. So it has the same locking ring that you'll see on our SOCOM suppressors, that ratcheting locking ring with that push button release with a hub thread pitch up in the front. So you can take your hub suppressors and put them on SOCOM muzzle devices.
So that'll work for 5.56 or 7.62?
It will. We make both a 7.62 and a 5.56 variant.
However, muzzle devices are different.
That's correct. But you can take our 7.62 hubs and they mount backwards on our 5.56. However, for whatever reason you want a specific one, you can do that.
So you can get just the dedicated.
That's correct.
All right guys, if you have any more questions about the Surefire Hub Fast Attach,
be sure to check us out at Primary Arms Online. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next video.